I started putting cable up on the structure yesterday, which is exciting and challenging. We're in the middle of cable installation right now, so we'll be moving west to east, top to bottom, all the way across. It's going to take a while just because it's a labor-intensive process and it's a laborious process. Okay, now I'm going. I anticipate probably a month of work on this. I don't know how the heat will impact my work schedule. Like yesterday I got to a breaking point where it was like, nope, it's too hot. The sun's too high in the sky. And the risk of dehydration or heat stroke, I take that very seriously. So I want to make sure and be smart about it and work safely.